Morning, girls and guys. Welcome to another video of learning driving. I want to talk about MSPSL today. When you go on your first driving lesson, your instructor will ask you, do you know anything about MSPSL? Or in the little bit olden time, it was MSM. MSM was mirror signal maneuver. At that time it was good enough, explains everything, but now over the years things have changed and you got MSPSL. MSPSL is a step-by-step guide to drive the car. It tells you basically about your next step. What am I doing next? I've done this far. I have reached to here. What is next? So M for mirrors, not one mirror, mirrors. So when you will check the mirrors, you will always check the mirrors in pairs. Interior mirror, and then a right door mirror, and then if you're turning right, interior mirror and left door mirror if you're turning left. So that is mirrors, always in pairs. Then signal, then position of your car, then speed, then look. So MSPSL is basically mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. This is a step-by-step guide for you to drive the car when you are on the lesson or on the test or in the normal life. If you are not using MSPSL, or if you forget anything out of these 5, then it would be a fault on the driving test. With this MSPSL, you check your mirrors first, then you put your signal on, then you position your car to the accordingly whichever side you're going. Then you are going to control your speed or deal something with the speed, and then look. Once you are master of MSPSL, that means you are master of the driving and you can drive. In this MSPSL, you have 2 things for safety and 2 things which you use for handling. And the last look is for both. You are checking your mirrors for safety reason. You're putting the signal on for safety reason, and your positioning and speed is handling of your car, and the look, you are looking for safety and you are looking for handling as well. Once you've done your MSPSL, then you should be ready to do the next step. So after the mirrors, the way you make life easy, after your mirrors, put the signal on. So you have checked your mirrors accordingly after listening to the instructions. Then you put the signal on, and once you put the signal on, then your positioning will go there, and then act accordingly the speed, and then your look. All MSPSL should be done before you reach to the actual turning point, or whatever instructions you are doing, do it nice and early. MSPSL, you should have enough time to do that. If you do late, one thing, you checking the mirrors and taking too long, and then obviously the next thing, you will be running out of the space. So you should be doing it accordingly, so you don't lose any time while you are driving. And that's it really about MSPSL. Just remember MSPSL, what it is, when do I use it, and once you know what it is and when would you use it, you will use it all the time. Moving away, stopping, turning, T-junctions, roundabout, everywhere you will be using MSPSL all the time. And once you are master of this all the time, then you are ready to go for your test. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one, whichever we will make. Don't forget to subscribe LV Motoring. Thank you very much.